Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
White light is a mix of wavelengths from about 380 to 750 nm. When it passes a transparent medium, each wavelength bends by a different amount and separates into colors. Use a triangular prism with an apex near 60 degrees or glass with similar geometry to see dispersion. Blue light refracts more than red because of higher refractive index. The bending follows Snell's law. N1 sin theta 1 equals N2 sin theta 2. So small index differences create measurable angular spread and visible rainbow separation. Choose one of three reliable methods: a triangular glass prism, a 600 lines per mm diffraction grating, or a spray of water droplets in bright sunlight. For prism work, place the prism 1 to 3 ft from a white wall or paper and move it until a sharp spectrum appears. Control the incident angle to adjust spread. For gratings, hold perpendicular to the beam and view first-order spectra. Higher line densities increase angular separation. For water droplet rainbows, sunlight scattered at about 42 degrees produces the classic primary bow. Optimize contrast by darkening the room, using a white screen, and adjusting distance between light source, disperser, and surface. Moving the prism closer narrows bands, while moving it farther increases separation. Use neutral density filters or lower LED intensity when projecting indoors to avoid glare and sensor blooming. For outdoor rainbows, never look directly at the sun. Instead, orient your back to the sun and observe the 42 degrees arc. Clean optics and avoid scratching gratings or prisms to preserve sharpness and color purity.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.